Congratulations for passing our hiring process. We would like to welcome you as a part of our growing team at StartVirtual. This video contains important details as we onboard you prior to training. Please pay attention to all the details that will be shared on this video. For clarifications, never hesitate to ask questions after this presentation.
Training. We will provide you the training schedule as soon as we have an update from the management. Your patience is vital for us. Please make sure to stay active on your Skype. Check your SV work email including your spam mailbox and check on your phone for text messages or call, so we can definitely reach out to you as soon as we have the training schedule. Expect that we will assist you in creating your SV work email as well as your computer's user profile, which you will be using for SV work related stuff. Training will run for 4 weeks and session will last for 6 to 9 hours per day. The schedule is subject for changes depending on training team's advice. If you pass the product training, you will be endorsed to nesting period. However, if you fail to attend the training with no valid reasons, we will put you on blacklisted status. The training is paid $2.50 per hour, no deductions. The company is registered in paying taxes in the US, so we are not affected by Philippine mandated deductions. However, you have the option to pay for it voluntarily. At the end of our training, you will be asked to provide your bank account details or e-money like GCash or Maya on our HRIS system to where you would like to have your pay credited. If you plan to leave the company under 3 months, you will have to pay back the total amount of your entire training pay. All important details, especially house rules and important reminders on training and deployment, are indicated on the training agreement. Training agreement and independent contractor agreement. During training and deployment, you will need to sign contracts because we want everything in black and white copy. You're entitled to receive the training pay after you pass the training and client deployment. We need to follow the cutoff period of your first pay. Details will be discussed after the client deployment.
Criteria to pass the training. Commitment is the key. Failure to attend day 1 of training is highly prohibited, as well as not able to complete the training without valid reason, as the company will make you blacklisted and no longer be eligible for rehire. Your tools are vital. Please make sure that all of the tools checked on your pre-screening during the technical check, including primary and backup, should be up and running prior to training to avoid any issues, as your client deployment will be purely working home setup. Call certification. You will be graded according to the results of your MAC calls and assessments. Grading system. Trainers will assess your performance, behavior, and your attendance.
Deployment. Your schedule will depend on your client's need and will report for 6 to 8 hours a day. We only offer a full-time job. Rest day will depend on your client if they will let you take consecutive or split rest day. It can be weekends or weekdays. The rate is fixed $3.50 upon deployment. Still no deductions. Government benefits. It is voluntarily paid, for example, SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. No premiums on Philippines and US holidays being an independent contractor. We are expected to follow the no work no pay policy aligned with the VA companies. No leave credits, this includes sick leaves and vacation leaves. Cutoff period. Salary is bi-weekly or every 2 weeks. Cutoff will be the 1st to 15th of the month, the latest releases on the 30th of the month. And 16th to the end of the month, the latest releases on the 15th of the next month.
StartVirtual's exclusive benefits. HMO processing will start on your 6-month tenure, and it is partially paid by the company. Give Maxicare a leeway of 1 to 2 months for you to get the card. You must be with the company for at least a month. 1 birthday leave credit can be used for any day within your birth month as well. And used birthday leave will be considered as double pay. Importantly, if you want to take advantage of your birthday leave, inform your client success manager a week prior to your leave so they can plot your schedule and make adjustments. We will get $50 signing bonus upon reaching your full 90 days of work. This will start on day 1 with client, standby days will be deducted, lost hours will be considered as long as the VA work on that day. No attendance issues. VA should have a perfect attendance as absences can be a reason for disqualification. Consideration for absences due to extreme cases will be up for the management's approval as long as the proper documents are submitted.
Let me remind you that StartVirtual is a fast growing company. If you're doing well and have the potential to handle the team or be a part of the support group, reach out to your dedicated client success manager to get you assisted with your internal promotion. For questions and clarifications, don't hesitate to ask your talent acquisition specialist. Again, congratulations and welcome to our family. So let's start now. Start Virtual.